The Discover Sensors project is an initiative of the Irish government's Discover Science and Engineering (DSE) to support the use of sensor technology in hands-on scientific investigations by junior certificate science students. It is designed to provide students with an experience of real science in the classroom, supporting the investigative approach promoted by the revised Junior Certificate Science syllabus. DSE is managed by Forfas on behalf of the Office of Science and Technology at the Department of Jobs, Enterprise, and Innovation. The project also has a website to support teachers and students and encourages teacher collaboration via broadband technology using the Moodle online learning support system. Discover Sensors now has 190 participating schools throughout Ireland. If you are a junior certificate science teacher, Discover Sensors can assist you by bringing new learning opportunities to your students using sensor technology. DSE runs numerous other initiatives, including Science Week Ireland, Discover Primary Science, Greenwave, and Science.ie. References